Alright, so I'm getting her washed up now. I can't put it in the driveway anymore because with the lowered kickstand there, the T-Rex, it just doesn't stay planted anymore. So I have to bring it out to where it's more level, and that way the bike doesn't move. We don't want to drop the bike. We definitely don't want to drop the bike, right? So yeah, let's get it. If you guys know about these products, you should definitely go get one. This is a Greenworks. You get this from Amazon. Very cheap, $1,600. I probably should have got the higher one, which I probably might end up doing later with higher pressure, mainly for the cars, but works really, really good. And then we got the chemical guys, which is okay. I like the sprayer, the foam cannon, but I don't really like the chemical. I don't know. I just think it could be better. So I'm gonna upgrade that soon too. Let's go, baby. Yeah, she's dirty. Nice and soapy. Dirty. Try to be careful too, because I haven't rolled this bike yet. Since it's been here to wash it, so I don't want to treat it too rough. That looks good for now. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put on some shoes and we're gonna go ride it for a bit, get all the water off. All right, so then I gotta put my bean pole back on. I'm not going far. I ain't got no gear on except my helmet, and I don't even have the helmet. I only have the camera mounted on the helmet. That's interesting. I don't know what that's gonna look like, but it does feel good out here, I can tell you that. Dang, come on, thing. This is crazy. Dude, sometimes I don't like the way this helmet just doesn't work sometimes. Like, it just refuses not to fucking click, and it's so annoying, dude. It is probably the most frustrating thing about this helmet. It does not click very well. I had no issues with the HJC at all. This, I can barely get this freaking thing to click. It just doesn't want to do it. 8 million tries later. Dry this thing off properly, shall we? Shall we? Oh, I need gas too. Ooh. Right down the street, always. So, try to have some gear on at some point. Just dry her off. I am not used to shifting with shoes on. Shit hurt my toe. It is definitely, yeah. Yikes. Yikes. There we go. Get all that dang water out. Hope you see me, Tunge. I hope you see me, Tunge. Shit. Let's go. Take it easy a little bit. The tires get all that wet off. I can feel all the water just like flying off. Oh my god, it feels great to ride in shorts, but it ain't gonna feel great to fucking go down. Let's go. So I did want to address something. Apparently I've been triggering people with the way I ride. And a lot of people seem to just be upset that I'm riding my motorcycle slow. I don't know why it bothers them so much about how somebody else rides, but apparently it infuriates them. Apparently it makes people upset. I don't really understand why. I ride my bike at my own pace. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow. No, it just is what it is. Like I don't get the mystique or the whatever they call it, stereotype of that. If you have a leader bike, you have to like always ride at 10,000 miles an hour. I don't understand that. I don't get it. I had made a comment and I had said something to the effect of, if I had a Ferrari, I would purposely drive it slow so everybody around me can get a good look at my nice looking car. Like, and when I want to drive fast, I'll drive fast, but some people just get triggered, man. Like, I don't understand it. Woo. I don't get it, dude. I think y'all need to stop spending less time on how fast or slow somebody rides their motorcycle. It's my bike, it's my money. It's my bike, my money, right? So, I don't know, man. It just sucks. Don't hit me. It feels good out here, though. Oh, it feels so good. Like I said, I can definitely feel the heat on my ankles, though. Looks like we got all the water off, though. Ooh, shifting good today, too. Running good today. Kind of glad that cop didn't fucking mess with me. I don't have my phone, so I don't have my proof of insurance. You know, what am I doing? Well, that was a mission success. Oh man, I love this bike, dude. It's phenomenal. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.